In this video, I will show you how to become a medic or an ambulance or a doctor within Emergency Hamburg. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. Let's actually wait till this turns green, but what I need to do is I need to open a map by pressing M. What I can do is press M, and then I can open the map, and then I need to set my location to the fire station. So it is actually green. Move away, please. And now I can basically drive through the towards the fire station. And yeah, you do not need to set your waypoint on the hospital, because that is not how you become a medic. Now what I actually need to do is I need to go to this door over here and then press E. So as you can see, you read fire department shift, but that is actually correct. So what you can do is you can either select the rescue service or the emergency doctor. So these two are from the fire department areas, and these are more doctors. So this is more an advanced doctor, and this is the normal basic paramedic. So I can select this, and as you can see, information to enter shift again, you have to come back, blah blah. And as you can see, you'll see some information, the rescue service, and I can press on this emergency doctor, start shift. As you can see, now I am a doctor. Now what I can do is I can go to the locker over here, and I can basically select all the things I need. I can equip all the items I need. Let me go to the car over here. As you can see, the vehicles, and here I can select different vehicles that I can use to basically rescue people. So I can spawn this vehicle, and then I can step into this car, and I will receive a notification over here when people need help, when they are died, for example, and I can rescue them. I can basically let them rebirth. I can basically turn around, drive around a bit. So that is basically it. If this video, guys, was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.